on site for Stang waterfall project. Above ridge, 6 foot by 10 foot bog, empty into waterfall down here. Turning this way, the waterfalls down into a pooling area. One waterfall comes down here, meanders a little bit. This area will be the reservoir. We have stone wall continuing to approximately here, then we'll come out this way to encompass the reservoir area. Reservoir will be partly above grade, contained within the rock wall. Within the reservoir area will be gravel, flagstone, slabs, and large boulders for seating and interaction with the water feature. Have a small pooling area at the base, right in here. And consider also a secondary waterfall within the basin, starting on this end, cascading into the basin with a meandering stream. Maybe it meets up with the pooling area here. So we have some nice water collection area. When the water pumps are turned off, the water will seep below into the reservoir, so there's no standing water.